the 5th of March 2021, if I'm not mistaken, which would have been the proceedings at the Boksburg Magistrates Court.
Uma ngeziphutha-ke umngani kaMthipili izolo-ke ukhulume nawe-ke mayelana nalokho okwenzeka enkantolo nge-5 zika-March 2021 enkantolo yase-Boksburg.
Now, this will be the day where your legal representative addressed the magistrate then with regard to your challenges, the manner in which you've been treated by or at the hands of the police.
Uma ngeziphutha-ke ilanga lelo-ke ummeli wakho awayetshela inkantolo-ke mayelana nenkinga owawunazo-ke futhi nangendlela-ke okwakungayo phakathi kwakho namaphoyisa.
I think
Yes.
that would be Mr. Nkwana, the one who was sent by the legal aid to come and represent you after the departure, so to speak, of Mr. Mchiyako.
Lowo-ke kwakuwumnumzane uNkwane owayethunyelwe-ke yiyona i-legal aid emuva kokuthi sekuhambe uMjiyako.
Now, you went on to explain that the magistrate had an interaction or engaged the lead prosecutor in this case, Advocate Baloyi, and requested him by way of an order to assist you with regard to the report that was placed before the magistrate by your legal representative, Mr. Nkwana. Do you still remember that?
Ushilo-ke ukuthi-ke kunala khona-ke imantshi yaba nokukhulumisana-ke nomshushisi-ke yena-ke u-Advocate uBaloyi mayelana nokuthi-ke uthole usizo mayelana nalolu daba umnumzane uNkwana atshela inkantolo ngalo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, you went on to say yesterday now that you were still waiting, or after Mr. Baloyi actually received that information, nothing happened, and you have not received the assistance that the magistrate requested that you should be assisted with. And my observation to you, of you, was that when you said that, you showed a very sorrowful face. What prompted that sorrow look on your face? That's just my question in this regard.
Ushilo-ke izolo wathi-ke kuze kube manje-ke usalindile-ke lolo sizo lolo-ke awathembisa-ke ngalo u-Advocate Baloyi ukuthi-ke uzolithola noma-ke bazolekelela ngalo. Kodwa-ke engikubonile-ke mina ukuthi-ke uma ukusho lokho-ke bekuyindlela nje engiye ngabona ungayo la ebusweni ngibona ukuthi-ke ukuthi-ke ungaphethekanga kahle-ke ukuthi-ke kukhona nje lokho engathi-ke kunobuhlungu yini ebedala lokho.
Kusenkantolo ukuthi izolo uma ngivela lelo daba lwekhulu uhlekile yena, so manje bengalinde ukuthi umuntu omdala ngapha ngathi khulu esikazi kanje lahleka.
My Lord, when that matter came up yesterday, he laughed. I did not expect such an elderly person that when something so serious is being mentioned, that he would laugh.
As a court, please, my lord. I don't know whether we should, engage in such character assassination. I don't think what the accused is saying is true, my lord. And I'll just leave it at that, my lord.
Uzokuyeka nje lapho kodwa cabanga ukuthi-ke okushoyo ukuthi-ke kuyilona iqiniso kodwa uzokuyeka nje lapho.
Ingoba mina
It's because I was looking at him.
namanje nangiba umnisi ngibuza ukuthi uyahleka uzakwaba njengayo manje oba ngithi uyahleka nami uzakwaba ulongana ngoba umnisi ebuza mina ukuthi uyahleka uzakwaba
Yes. As I'm standing here, the Advocate Mnisi is asking me, Advocate Baloyi's colleague is laughing on the other side.
okusho khona ukuthi iphathi kumnandi abasashawa ngamaphoyisa ashawa icala esingalazi.
Which then means that it's a party, it's something good, it's something nice that we were assaulted by the police for something that we knew nothing about.
Kodwa ngesizulu bathi umbila mawugaya awuyiphezulu umbila yaphansi.
But in isiZulu they would say that if you breaking the cord, it does not go up.
Manje-
The MIDI or the cord, my lord, doesn't go up, it goes down.
Manje ngoba lokho uhlanga ngizwe ubuhlungu mina. Nyembeza ngayo wena phansi angifuni ukuqhambela.
As you are laughing at me and hurting me, I don't want to tell lies to you. I don't want to lie to you. My tears.
Nathandaza uNkulunkulu uyongiphendula.
As a court, please, is the accused really given the platform to utter such threats, in an open court? We make the submission, my lord, that it's improper, and that this should stop here.
As it is the court, my lord, may I request that we adjourn so we have a time to cool down, my lord. I think that will not be an unplaced request, my lord. It's almost 20 minutes to adjournment, my lord. I don't think it will be in the interest of justice, and I will be doing justice if I were to start with my engagement with Mr. Ntanzi in the stage in which he is, my lord. Understandably so, though. Thank you, my lord. May we adjourn for lunch.
What's your time, Mr.
Sorry.
It's 12:41, my lord.
12?
12:41.
Okay. Mr. Ramsey, Mr. Ngomano, this is a request for an adjournment.
I would have an objection.
Okay. This adjourn.